I'll show you how to easily fix playback lagging issue in Premiere Pro. First of all, click on this select playback resolution icon, and here you have to select 1/4, and then as you can see in my timeline a red line. If you see red line, your playback will be slow. So we have to render our clips. So you have to move this playhead at the 0 seconds and then press I key on your keyboard, and then move your playhead at the end of your clips or project, and then press O key on your keyboard. Once you successfully selected your timeline red line area, now just hit enter and your selected frame will be rendered in just few seconds, or it may take up to 5 or 10 minutes. It depends on your clip. Once red line gone, now you can easily play your timeline without lagging issue.